Why are you sad? Maybe something in your life didn't go the way you hoped. Maybe someone you trusted disappointed you. Or maybe you're simply tired. Tired of trying. Tired of hoping. Tired of waiting for things to get better. Sometimes sadness comes quietly, not like a storm, but like a long gray day that never seems to end. You wake up, you go through your routine, but inside your heart feels heavy. You start asking yourself questions. Why is life so hard? Why does everything seem to work for others but not for me? Will things ever change? If you've ever felt this way, you are not alone. Many people around the world are walking through the same quiet battles. People who smile on the outside, but inside they are fighting doubts, fears, and loneliness. But here's something important you should remember. Sadness is not the end of your story. It is only a chapter. Every life has difficult seasons. Just like winter comes before spring, hard times often come before growth. Think about a seed buried deep in the soil. From the outside, it looks like nothing is happening. It is dark, silent, and lonely. But under the ground, something powerful is happening. The seed is preparing to grow, and one day, it breaks through the soil and reaches the light. Your life can be the same. The struggles you're facing today may be shaping the strength you'll need tomorrow. The disappointment you feel today may guide you toward a better direction. And the sadness in your heart today may help you understand happiness more deeply in the future. So if you're feeling lost right now, please don't give up. Take a deep breath, slow down, and remind yourself of this simple truth. Your life still has meaning. There are still dreams waiting for you. There are still opportunities you haven't seen yet. There are still people in this world who will appreciate you for who you are. Sometimes all it takes is one small step forward. Not a giant leap, just one step. One new idea. One new effort. One new day of not giving up. Because the moment you decide to keep going, your story is still being written. And who knows, maybe one day you will look back at this difficult moment and realize it was the turning point that made you stronger. So the next time sadness visits your heart, don't see it as an enemy. See it as a reminder that you are human, that you care, and that your story is still unfolding. And remember this, no matter how dark today feels, tomorrow still carries the possibility of light. If this message touched your heart, please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Here at Tâm Inspires, we share stories and messages to help you stay strong, believe in yourself, and keep moving forward in life. And if you're watching this right now, leave a comment below and tell me, what keeps you going when life feels difficult? Your words might inspire someone else today. Thank you for being here, and remember, you are stronger than you think.